Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zip Apple Pay. First, understand that Zip lets you split your purchases into 4 easy, interest-free payments over 6 weeks. By linking Zip with Apple Pay, you gain a super convenient and secure way to shop, both online and in stores. This combination makes managing your budget simpler, allowing you to enjoy your items immediately while spreading out the cost without any extra fees if you pay on time. It's a smart way to handle your spending. Getting started is quite straightforward. Begin by downloading the Zip app from your App Store and setting up your account. Once your account is active, navigate to the Card or Payments section within the Zip app. You'll find a clear option there to add to Apple Wallet. Tap this, and your phone will guide you through a few simple steps to securely add your Zip card. This usually takes less than 1 minute, making your Zip card ready for use with Apple Pay. When you're ready to make a purchase, whether online or in a physical store, simply look for the Apple Pay symbol. Select Apple Pay at checkout and then choose your Zip card from the options presented in your Apple Wallet. A quick confirmation using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode will complete the transaction. It's incredibly fast and secure, often taking just a few seconds. Remember, your first payment, which is 1/4 of the total, will be due at the time of purchase. Keeping track of your payments is easy with the Zip app. Open the app anytime to see a clear overview of your payment schedule, including all upcoming due dates and amounts. If you wish, you can make an early payment with just a few taps. It's crucial to ensure that your linked debit or credit card has enough funds for the automatic deductions, which occur every 2 weeks. Staying on top of your payments helps you avoid any late fees and keeps your account in good standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.